Hey guys, this is Rene. Welcome back for another video on this channel. And today I'm back with another review of the last trading week in my live trading account. And having a look at the balance, we can see that there was a small drawdown or some losing trades in the end of last week, especially. If you watched the stream, you saw this already. So in this summary, I want to have a look at why this happened. So to start off, let's have a look again at the indices as the main important factor for the performance of this account also. And we can see that, for example, if we have a look at the German index here, the German index lost 2.5%. We can see here already there were some, there were especially two big losing trades on Thursday and Friday. And they, of course, contributed to this a negative performance this week. Then if we have a look at the US 30, this one had a exceptionally good start of the week. Here it went up for over 3% before it came down again, and in the end it's up like 0.5% for this week. So also a here we should see a small profit. And then US Tech, which was probably the biggest problem in this week, because this market was just going up and up the last weeks, but the very last week now it made a loss or generated a loss of 4%, or the index went down 4%, and we will of course really see a strong impact of this in the account performance if we have a look at this in a second. Then let's have a look at USD Japanese yen. A lot of trades going on here, 4 trades in total. One of them was a good winning trade, so I think overall it should be profitable in USD Japanese yen for the last week. There were no trades in Euro US dollar. In GBP US dollar we had 5 trades. Out of them was one very bad. The rest was more or less break even, so small loss here I think. And then let's have a look at gold also, because gold was again performing, just very good. Monday was a huge profit. Tuesday was a huge profit. Wednesday, Thursday was slightly negative. But then again, Friday was another huge profit. So if we have a look at this now in the Trade Buddy, which is the trading journal that I use for the analysis and that you can also use for your analysis if you want. This tool can help you to automatically import all of the trades from the MetaTrader, so you do not have to do it by hand. You will find this program on my website. Check out the links below this video. So here I already included all of the trades. So you can see here, if you have a look at the entry and exit date, this is from the last week. So all of the trades are here, and we can also see right here in the graph that, the last trades were negative. So we do have this small drawdown. But if we have a look at the key figures, this is not something, this is not the moment where we should start to panic, because the total net profit is still close to 12,000 euro and the profit factor is doing great. So absolutely no need to worry here. Even if there was a small drawdown now after a really long period of no losses at all. So let's have a look at the last week, especially by filtering the trades for the last week only. And if we do so, we will see there was a good beginning of the week. The account was up 2.5k, but then in the second half of the week, all of these losses were all of these profits were lost again, and the week was ended with a profit of minus 1,000 euro. 29 trades in total. And if we have a look at the strategies now, we will see exactly where these losses are coming from. So if we have a look at the go long strategy, we should see a big loss here. And we do see a big loss of 2.6k. And this loss is, of course, I showed this before in the chart, really highly influenced by the US. US 30 was profitable. We saw this before, so very small profit here. But US Tech made a huge loss of over 2k. And also the DE40 generated a small loss of 500 euro. With one trade. So we can see the go long strategy, even though it was performing all of the weeks before, this week of course was a weak week because the markets went down. No chance for this strategy to be profitable in such a situation. Then let's go to the range breakout expert advisor. This strategy does not care about rising stock market. This strategy can perform in bullish and bearish markets, which is why I like it. And here we can see last week was actually very, very good for the range breakout strategy in total, 1.4K1. So let's have a look at the symbols. I trade this in US 30. Okay, there was no trade. I traded in DE 40. I think there were at least one trade. Oh, 3 trades actually, and a small loss of 80 euro. Then I traded in USD Japanese yen, and we saw there were 4 trades. And this was a total profit of 240 around, which is very, very good. Then no trades in Euro-US dollar. And GBP-US dollar had, I think, 4 or 5 trades, 5 trades even. Out of them were, where do we see it? 2 of them were profitable, 3 of them were negative. Yeah, and this made the small loss of 100 euro, but this is not really a problem. And then let's go to gold. Gold was, it's just, I don't know what to say. I just picked a very good period to trade this strategy in gold. That's another 1.3K of live trading profits in gold with the range breakout strategy, which is just performing like crazy since I started it. And then the last strategy that I trade here in this account is the turnaround Tuesday strategy. There were, I think, 1 or 2 trades, and the profit was, 1 trade without any important profit. So yeah, this was only one position in US tech. But in the next week, we will see more trades with the turnaround Tuesday strategy. I think the German index and the US tech index will open trades again. So high leverage on the indices in the beginning of the week. This will be very interesting. So yeah, if you're interested, watch the stream. You will get all the updates. Everything's transparent and easy to follow along. So subscribe if you like this project, and if you do not want to miss out anything. And that's it for the last week. See you next time. Bye.